This demonstration shows you how you can use the AI agent, Work Definition Change Management Assistant, to enhance your business. The Work Definition Change Management Assistant for manufacturing helps manufacturing engineers implement resource changes across work definitions. Manufacturing engineers require to make mass updates to work definition operation resources during standardization or resource changes in production. With the Work Definition Change Management Assistant, manufacturing engineers can make changes to resources for multiple work definitions based on the criteria provided without having to manually navigate to each work definition. In this demo, we will first see how a manufacturing engineer can use the assistant in Work Definition Management page. I am logged in as a manufacturing engineer. I am going to navigate to the Work Definitions Overview page. I can go to the Work Definitions page by clicking on the action, Manufacturing Work Definitions. Here, I can open the Change Management Agent by using the action, Use Change Assistant. The Change Management Assistant can be used to replace, update or delete resources across multiple work definitions. We will demo a few example scenarios starting with mass search and replace of resources. I can invoke the agent using the action and enter my replacement request by simply providing the details of old resource that will be replaced by a new resource. I did not specify any additional criteria like items or work centers. So, this change is meant to replace the resource for all work definitions in the organization. The agent will search all the active work definitions and show me a list of all items, work definitions, operations where the former resource is used that will get replaced. The changes will need to be approved first. Once I approve, the agent creates a request to perform mass replacement using an ESS job. I can use this job ID for reference to check the status of the mass change. To check the status of the ESS job, I can go to the Schedule Process page under Tools. In this page, I can enter this number in Process ID field and find the job that was scheduled and find its status. The scheduled job created by the agent named Schedule Changes to Affected Work Definitions will trigger another Import Work Definitions job which uses the data import capability for work definitions. The detailed log of all the changes made can be obtained from the import job. Now, let us see another example. This time we will mass update a resource. I am going to update the usage of the new resource assembler 2 to 0.6 hours. Once again, I am not providing any additional criteria like work centers or products affected by this change. The agent will look at all the active work definitions that use the Assembler 2 resource which will be impacted by this update. The agent returns a list of work definitions with items, operations, and work center combinations that will be affected by this change. After I give my approval, it will schedule the corresponding ESS job to perform the mass update. Let us look at one more example, where I want to make updates more selectively. Instead of changing the usage of a resource in all work definitions, I asked the agent to apply my update to a specific item. This time, the agent will look at all the work definitions of the item that use this resource to provide a list of impacted work definitions. It found only matching work definition. I provide my approval as always, before it will initiate the changes. In this way, the Change Assistant can help the user perform mass updates or changes to resources easily, without having to navigate to multiple work definition edit pages and manually edit each resource at a time. Now, let us see how you can create and publish the agent from the provided template in Oracle AI Studio. I have logged in as an administrator. I can navigate to AI Studio using the link under Tools. Here I can search for the Work Definition Change Management Assistant and use the action Copy Template to quickly create the agent. All I need to do here is to add a suffix for my agent team name. Now the agent team has been created from the given template. This agent is ready to publish out of the box. I will go ahead and use this agent as is, and publish it using the action. After publishing, I will go to the Agent Teams tab and find my agent and copy the code of the agent. Now, let us see how the agent code can be used to enable the agent in the Work Definitions page. From the Work Definitions page, open the main menu on the top right and launch the Visual Builder Studio using the highlighted link. Enter the code of the agent team published in the Agent Team Code field as shown here and click the Publish button. This enables the assistant in the page. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.